today we're going to be doing a little review on the Switch little driving wheel here. So it comes with two of them, so you can get different colors. So we just got black, so as you can see you can also get them in red and this teal color, but I went ahead and got them in black because we have gray controller. Anyways, let's open the box and see what's inside. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the back of it. Looks pretty nice. And here is the front. It looks pretty good. It's got kind of a shiny finish on the inside and more matte on the outside. Feels good in the hand, and there's two buttons on each side here. And it's got a flat bottom, which is pretty cool. So the reason we got them is because we want to play the Mario Kart game together. This is the left controller of the Switch, and I'm guessing it just clicks right in. Let's see. Yep, there it goes. Absolutely beautiful. Go ahead, Marky, put the other one in, the other controller. So as you can see, it's not too hard to put in. It just kind of fits in there, and that's it. So the only unique thing is that since the Wii controllers are different, you know, your buttons are in a little bit different positions, but that's not a big deal because most of the thing that you're doing is driving. Alright, so we're just going to hit the home button, and our Wii should be turning on. Let's push A and play. Whoa, Mario Kart 8. This game's pretty awesome. I'm guessing LR on the remotes are these two on the top now. Let's see. Yes, they are. Perfect. Okay, let's go to multiplayer. Okay, Mark, you press LR and on. Yeah, those. So he just pressed those buttons and confirmed that there's another player. So now we have two players. By the way, guys, I love the way this feels in your hand. This is very comfortable, the way these buttons are. They're big and easy to reach. So everything's kind of flipped over. The A now is the X. So it's basically the same configuration as it is like this, just sideways. So it's a little bit confusing at first, but no big deal. So just push X when you're ready, and that's it. Alright, so we modified our players and we're ready to roll. Alright, so it is split screen on both sides. Okay, so Marcus has already figured out how to go. Alright, so you do push X to go, just like you would when you're playing their full remote. So all the controls are very, very simplistic and easy to figure out real quick. Alright guys, so after we started playing, I realized that we weren't steering with the wheel, but we were just playing as normal. Apparently, if you push the plus here, and then there's a menu right here that you can see. If I push this button, this B button, now it'll steer because it has the remote steering, and this doesn't. So there we go. So look at that, it works great. Woohoo! Anyways, it definitely seems a lot funner to play like this. Here comes the jump. Let's see. Okay, so the tilting works too. So if you tilt up, it goes up. If you tilt down, it goes down. Awesome. So it actually feels very organic. Doesn't feel weird. It's actually pretty responsive, like you would think it should be. Pretty nice. Good job, Nintendo Switch. Made a good controller. A controller that divides in two, and you can have two controllers.